According to the Global Circularity Gap Report, 92.8% of our world is linear. Only 7.2% of the products and materials ever circulate. The rest becomes waste at the end of the first use cycle. So here's the question. Would you want to run a business like this? Or would you rather run a business that excites your investors, empowers your employees, satisfies your customers, and also restores the planet? And the answer to this question is exactly where the circular design framework comes into play. And this book shows businesses exactly how to build it. Coming up in this video, you'll hear directly from the author and the co-publisher about the circular design framework that's transforming how businesses design, produce, sell, and profit.
This is the right book at the right time because we are in the middle of a fundamental shift from a linear to a circular economy. Companies across all industries are under increasing pressure to innovate, not just for growth, but for resilience and relevance. What makes this book timely is that it doesn't stay at the level of vision or theory. It offers concrete tools, real-life cases, and a clear direction for how businesses can rethink their products, services, and operations right now. In a moment when sustainability, competitiveness, and long-term value creation are converging, this book acts as a practical compass for leaders who want to turn disruption into an opportunity.
I've been working with companies since 2013, and I've realized over the years that companies are really interested in circular economy, but there's a lack of knowledge and understanding circularity as a holistic business growth strategy. And this is what the book offers for you. So it introduces the circular design framework, which is a systematic approach when transitioning from linear to circular. It also offers concrete tools, numerous case studies, all written in a very inspiring storytelling style.
One common myth is that the circular economy is mainly about recycling or incremental sustainability improvements. This book challenges that directly. It shows that circularity is not a side initiative. It's a strategic transformation that can drive innovation, new business models, and competitive advantage. Through real examples, the book makes it clear that circular economy is about redesigning how value is created altogether, how products are developed, how services are delivered, and how businesses grow. It shifts the mindset from minimizing harm to actively creating positive impact for customers, companies, and to our planet.
Many times when companies start journeying from linear to circularity, it might be that they choose only one focus area, piloting with a different type of business model or changing something in their product design. But actually what is needed in a successful transformation and transition towards circularity is addressing all three different focus areas. So we're talking about business level transformation, we're talking about product level design changes, and also we are talking about customer experience. So the point is to iterate between this business, product, and customer focus areas to create a successful transition. And this is what the book offers.
So there you have it. The circular design framework isn't just about sustainability. It's about strategy, competitive advantage, and building businesses that thrive in the long run. The transition to circular economy is not a question of if, it's a question of when. And the companies that move first will be the ones who lead. Circular Strategies for Success gives you the framework to be one of those companies. If you're based in Finland, you can order your print copy directly through the PPF website. If you're anywhere else in the world, please navigate to www.routledge.com to order your print and e-copies today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video interesting, I encourage you to check out the book to start building the future that your business and this planet deserves.